Hey everybody, Kelley Muro here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add the registration shortcode to your North Commerce store. The registration shortcode, what it does is adds a registration form to your site so you can create a WordPress user and a North Commerce customer where they can manage all of their orders, their subscriptions, add their shipping address, set their default shipping address, and much more to come. So what I'm going to do is inside of Pages, I'm going to go to Add New, and I'm just going to use the regular block editor here for now, and let's call this page Registration. And then here I'm going to just do a simple layout here. So I'm going to do, I'll add a column. Inside this group, we'll just do 2 columns here. In this first column, we'll add an image. And I'm wondering if we can find a really great stock image here. Let me add this image here. And in the second column, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this North Commerce shortcode. And so what you can do if you don't know what our shortcodes are, or if you don't remember them at all, you can go to docs.northcommerce.com and find all the information there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy the North Commerce shortcode into here. And that looks good. I have the shortcode here. And then what I can do is add a custom label to the submit button where you click, create account. And in this case, the default is just this create account with this cool little arrow. And then the redirect argument is where the page will redirect after the account has been successfully created. And so in this case, I'm just going to make it go home. So that looks good. Now let's update this layout a little bit. Make this wider. And we could even center that picture. And then we'll have text there. So let me just publish this. And we have just this simple layout here. What you get out of the box is this first name, last name, email, and password field. If I go here to an incognito window and I'm not logged in or anything, then I could type in my information here. So let's say Kelley Muro, and then I'll just do kelley.test@demo.com and then give it a password. And then we'll hit create account. It'll create the account, and then it redirects to the page that was created. If I close this, and now I come in here, I'll go to customers and go to users, and I'll be able to see kelley.test@demo.com is right here, and it automatically associated the existing customer with this new user. And then I have kelley.test@demo.com right here, and that is my WordPress user and my North Commerce user. So it's important to remember that you only need to embed the North Commerce registration shortcode on your store. You are able to use any plugin or any built-in tool that you want for logging in. It's just a regular WordPress login. And so what you would probably end up doing is, on the registration page, you'd only display this if the user was logged out. And then when you want them to log in, you could link to a regular WordPress login page, and then that would redirect them to wherever they are. So North Commerce has no opinions on how you log in, but we do when it comes to registration, so we can link an existing customer or create a new customer and associate it with that new WordPress user. And so that's registration. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave a comment down below in this video, and I'd be happy to answer. If you have any special requests about customer registration or anything like that, also, you can go to northcommerce.com/changelog and request features there. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.